It was a busy afternoon at the yards. N2 was so busy shunting trucks around the yards and forming up trains for later on, when one truck was shunted a bit too hard and derailed. Careful, N2! Oh, sorry driver, I was just concerned that the express will be through soon. Don't rush, always do your jobs properly. Then a whistle was heard and N2 returned to his siding, and he waited and waited, but there was no sign of the express. Driver, wherever is the express? Little did N2 know that Bristol Castle was pulling the express, but he was feeling very unwell and running slow. Oh, this train's too heavy. Oh, did you clear my spoke box out this morning, driver? Oh dear me, oh dear, I can't keep going anymore. Oh, do try Bristol Castle. I can't, driver. Oh dear me, I'm going to stop. Right, we're going to need to stop before the yard then and get assistance. Bristol Castle arrived near the yard and stopped. Oh dear me, oh, I feel so unwell. Oh goodness me, I feel so unwell. Bristol Castle uncoupled from the express and moved into the sidings out of the way. I say, is there any other engines free? No, not at the moment. We shall have to move the coaches into the sidings and give the passengers free tea and hot chocolate to keep them happy. Oh, good afternoon, Weetabix fan. Good morning, sir. Hello there, N2. Oh, what's this? The coach is in the yard and a Bristol Castle? Poor Bristol Castle is not feeling well. Could you take the express to the big station and come back for your next train? Well, as long as they don't mind going slow. Thank you, HF. I really appreciate it. No problem, Castle. We all help each other out here. Then there was a right old commotion, as some trucks had become bored and decided to push LMS N2 off the rails. Unfortunately, the points had not been reset, and Duchess of Athol shunted right into Bristol Castle, and he promptly fell off the rails. Now there was a bigger problem, as N2 could not get out of the yard now. In fact, no one could get out of the yards or onto the main line. So a call was made to LMS N2, who lived at the big station, who brought along with him the breakdown crane. Blimey, you have got yourselves into a right old mess. Luckily I'm here. LMS N2 took both Duchess of Athol and Bristol Castle to the works. Right, come along you two, to the works for the both of you. Later that day, once standard tank had collected LMS N2 and his goods train, 8F returned to the yards. Have I missed much, N2? Take some water and I'll tell you, it was a right old laugh. Oh, do come along, dear, and stop nattering. Ah, sorry, right, where's my train? Well, it comes in two halves. Tankers first, then the breakdown train? Where's that going? Once you've delivered the tankers, can you please take the breakdown train back to the big station? 8F eventually left, and just before the sunset, LNER N2 and LMS N2 arrived at the yards for their weekly gossip. Then Sir Nigel Gresley was heard wheel slipping around the curve. "Oh, I say, do come on, do come on, oh, I say, do come on, do come on, oh, for goodness sake, do come on, you silly coaches." Sir Nigel Gresley suddenly stopped. He couldn't move, and the passengers were not happy at all. "Right, lads, well, I'll bank the train with LMS tank if you LNER tank take the front." With all three N2s working together, they got the heavy train underway and set off for the big station. Just what would the railway do without these hard-working little engines?